Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome, Iftar meals for the month of Ramadan, so this video can give you an idea of what you can do for dinner. Iftar dinners at home to Turkey usually 4 types. The first meal is a tray dish known as islim kebab with eggplant, another name is toothpick kebab. Finally minced beef, onion, egg, breadcrumbs. Chili, cumin, black pepper and salt, a little pepper paste and crushed garlic. Mix the ingredients completely. Add a little baking soda, there will be very little. Take it from the mixture you have prepared and make an average of 60 grams of round meatballs. Prepare the eggplants. Cut the 2 ends of the eggplants and prepare the half-peeled eggplants and slice them long. Fry the sliced eggplants in heated oil. Take the fried eggplant slices on a paper towel. Now fry the meatballs. This dish may look a little greasy, but when last baking it will leave the excess oil on the tray. Wrap your fried meatballs in fried eggplant slices. Add 2 slices of eggplant in a cross shape and meatballs in the middle. Fold and finally add tomato and pepper dipped in toothpick. Add the toothpick kebabs you have prepared to the baking tray, and you can make some potatoes if you want. Prepare a glass of tomato paste, add salt, pour over and prepare to bake. For isajlan soup, add oil to the pot. Add chopped onion and fry well. Add flour and mix. Add tomato paste. Add water and add salt and sugar and mix. Add washed rice and red lentils. Additionally, you can add lemon juice and broth. Add butter to the pan and wait for it to melt. After the butter melts, add the dried mint and chili peppers. This mixture will be added to the soup at the end. Now thin the ingredients with a hand blender, it won't be too thin. Prepare some lentil grains and rice grains visible. Add the spicy butter and the soup is ready. To make Bulgur pilaf, add oil to the pan. Add chopped onion and pepper. Add chopped tomatoes. Add tomato paste and mix. Add the washed bulgur. Add salt and add some butter. Add tomato juice. Add hot water and mix. Wait to boil over high heat. You can use 1 glass of water and 1 glass of tomato juice for 1 glass of bulgur. After boiling, turn the fire to low level. You can turn off the fire after 15 minutes. Add 1 cup butter to the pan to make a simple milk pudding dessert. Add 1 glass of flour and fry well. After the flour is roasted, add 1 liter of cold milk and mix. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar and keep mixing. You need to mix it until it boils over medium heat. Add the roasted kebab to the pan. And add a little sugar and mix until it is caramelized. Add 1 pack of whipped cream and beat well with a mixer. Pour half of the roasted kebab on the tray. And pour the custard over it. Smooth the custard with a spatula and let it cool completely. After the pudding is completely cooled, add the rest of the crispy kebab. And add a little thinned walnuts. Bon appetit to those who have been cooking for dinner this long. You can find the original of the video in Turkish on Seval's Kitchen channel. I translated it into English and edited it a bit. Those who want can watch the original version of this video. See you again in a new cooking video. Goodbye.